The Department of Disaster Management and Emergencies, in partnership with the Foreign Commonwealth Office, will be hosting a 3-day Crisis Emergency Communication Workshop and Tabletop Exercise from March the 13th to the 15th, 2019. The aim of this workshop is to review the existing emergency communication plan and call-out tree, develop a communication protocol for crisis communication for first responders, and conduct a tabletop exercise to test the plan and protocols that were updated. Over 35 persons are expected to be in attendance from approximately 20 different agencies, including government, private sector, and non-government organizations. It is hoped that at the end of this plan development exercise, that gaps that were identified during recent events will be improved to ensure better communication and coordination of emergency situations in the Turks and Caicos Islands. The Department of Disaster